go ahead.
Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to Gorgeous Gals. I'm Wendy.
I'm Lonnie.
I'm Toby.
And we're gonna do
This is great.
We're going to kind of review the videos we did over the last month and respond or comment to some of the comments you had. And
yeah, so first off, I want to say, hey Pam, tell Cal to get a scroll saw out and start using it, okay? Because I know you finally, like, I showed you how to use it in the video, so tell him to get busy with that scroll saw.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to using one myself. I've been wanting to do that for years, but anyhow, yeah, it was fun to see Toby do that. And, oh gosh, Milo, the joke with the Alice in Wonderland joke. Milo is so funny. Him and I have a conversation every single morning, and in fact,
Because she speaks dog.
She's a corgi, really.
But I was gone for a while, and Wendy had my 3 dogs, and she was telling me that Mo and Milo were having a conversation going back and forth between them. So we're going to try and get that recorded, and hopefully you guys will enjoy that. And Ed, thank you for the comment and support for the Alice in Wonderland cake. I am so glad that you're enjoying our videos. So we hope you
And the cake turned out really good, even though Lonnie was nervous about it.
Thank you. So we also did a Valentine wreath, and if you guys do any of our projects or attempt to do it, I hope you post them in the comments section so we can see them and other people can be inspired by your creativity. We'd love to get a whole community just having fun with stuff.
Yeah, so post your wreaths.
Yes.
Thank you.
Or any craft project that you do. Anyway, moving on. Oh, Wendy and Toby on the trikes. Okay, that was silly. These two will find anything and just have fun with it. That's why they constantly keep me laughing. Never a dull moment, that's for sure.
And we'll try to find a bigger tricycle for the next video.
Just a little bit.
An old people's trike.
Possibly. We could do something
With a
fun.
basket.
Oh, we could have fun with that.
Uh-oh, okay, we got something going here. And then Wendy made an amazing chili verde with cauliflower. That's the first time
Was
I've
yummy.
had that. It was quite yummy. I highly recommend you try it. I think you would really enjoy it as well.
It's good.
Yeah.
And delicious.
And then Toby had the winter planter that she did.
Oh yeah, and I had a question about the wood being burnt and if it was harmful to the plants. No, it's not. Actually, burning the wood helps seal the wood so the wood won't rot. So anyways, there's the answer to that one. And if anybody finds anything different out, then let me know. So as far as I know, it doesn't hurt anything.
And the zipline fail was really, she didn't get hurt. She was okay.
Yeah, we had a
Was
few
the-
comments about
The little seat, little plastic seat
She
that
hit her
you sit
booty.
on. Yeah, that's
she didn't hit her booty.
Yeah, the seat took the brunt of the hit. But lesson learned, make sure the
Safety
area
first.
underneath is
Yes.
cleared.
I don't think we could have piled any more stuff along that.
Yeah.
Anyhow, then we did the Tumeric butternut squash, and that is really just a soothing soup. When you feel like you're coming down with something, it's like the turmeric soup and the chicken noodle soup, they're just comforting and really help you feel better.
Did you already do the macaroni and cheese, the butternut squash macaroni and cheese?
That's in March.
Oh,
That's
oopsie,
what-
good
Sorry.
for that. Sneak peek.
Yeah, that was, yeah, that turned out really good. In fact, I'm going to be making it again here real soon. But anyhow, Pam, when we did the Bob Ross second video, thank you for your encouraging words. You're always so kind and encouraging. We really appreciate that.
Yes, we do.
Because we know we are learning a lot and things
But
are...
we're having fun.
We are having fun. And Toby, my goodness, you're right. She is a rascal. She is full of fun and comes up with the funniest things. But
We're trying to keep you somewhat entertained, okay?
she's good at doing that. And then we had Cody, who made a tennis ball launcher for his dog Blackjack. And Cody, he's he's a 25-year-old young man, and he can tell you everything and anything about firearms going back to World War II. It's amazing. I can sit there and listen to him. He blows me away, and I'm just...
He's like a little history book.
He
Yes, he
is.
is. Very
And
fascinating.
I don't know anything about guns or firearms. I don't own one, but everyone around me does. And I just sit there in amazement and listen to him go on about things. Anyhow, so the last one that we had was the chicken tortilla soup.
Very
And-
yummy.
Yeah.
And what I do, the comment was about using the strips of tortillas or chips. I do a little pile of shredded cabbage and a dollop of sour cream with mine. You can do the
She's
chips,
always keeping
but
it healthy.
you can, the chips though, if you're doing the tortilla strips or the chips, you would add those right when you're serving. So you put the soup in your bowl and then top it off, because otherwise they get mushy.
And she was asking about reducing the spice
Oh,
heat.
yeah. Okay, so I wouldn't eliminate any of the spices. I would just add less. Because if you eliminate different spices that were in there, you're kind of eliminating the flavors. So I would just use less.
Less spice.
Yes.
There you go.
So that is all of the review of our videos. But I will share with you that I went on a trip to Tennessee, and I'm going to post the adventures on how that all started, and it's kind of a funny story, and so I'll do that starting probably in March, and share that with you. The adventures. It became a pet transport mission. You'll learn more about it as we go along. I'll be sharing a video each week until we get to the end. Anyhow, so what do we say?
Make it a gorgeous day every day. Bye.